Alright, here's the challenge. ChatGPT has 60 minutes to build a complete playable game. I'm not allowed to write a single line of code. I can only copy paste whatever it gives me. It chooses the game, it chooses the mechanics, and if something breaks, it has to fix it. When the timer hits 0, we stop. Let's see what AI actually can do. Alright, that was fast. Let's see if it actually works. I'm not touching the code, just copying exactly what it gives me. No way, it actually works. But as you can see, the design is not very good. Let's go back and give it some upgrade. It still has a lot of time left. Alright, while ChatGPT is upgrading in the background, I would like to show you the prompt I use. This is both the prompt and the rules for ChatGPT. ChatGPT has 60 minutes to build the best possible game. I'm not allowed to manually write a single line of code. I can only copy paste whatever it gives me. It chooses the genre, it chooses the mechanics. The game has to run only by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It has to clearly explain where each file goes, and if something breaks, it fixes it. When the timer hits 60 minutes, we stop. This is a little bit better, but it's still not good enough. With only 30 minutes left, I send a screenshot to ChatGPT to kind of show it how it looks and hope for a better result. Okay, 9 minutes left. This is the final version. If this works, we actually did it. Okay, this is version 3. Look at the UI now. Compare this to version 1. That doesn't even look like the same project. The movement feels way smoother. We actually have proper design now. There's structure, there's feedback. Version 2 looked okay, but this actually feels like a real game. I didn't touch the code manually, this is all AI. That's kind of crazy. Here comes the fun part. Does it actually work? Okay, let's test it out. Okay. If this breaks now, that would be tragic. Come on. We just built a full playable game in under 60 minutes using AI. That's actually crazy. Like really crazy. Now here's the thing. AI isn't magic. It didn't write perfect code. It made some mistakes, it broke some things. I had to guide it, I had to explain what I wanted, but if you know how to communicate with it, it's ridiculously powerful. This doesn't replace developers or coders, but it definitely changes how we build, and I think we're just getting started. So now I'm curious, what should we try next? Should I let ChatGPT build a horror game or maybe something multiplayer? What if I try this in a language I've never used before? Let me know. This might get interesting.